Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dispenser control board in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a narrow putty knife, a Phillips screwdriver, and a small flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dispenser control board. This dispenser control board is located on the freezer door behind the touchpad control. It controls the functions of the dispenser assembly and also assists in setting the temperature. If you start experiencing operational problems with the dispenser, it's time to check and replace the dispenser control board if needed. I'm going to begin with the removal of the drip pan. Using the putty knife, I'm going to push it up. Now we can take it out. Next step would be removing this frame out of the fridge. Using the same putty knife, place it in the seam and start prying it out. Next, we need to remove this control panel assembly. I'm going to take out two Phillips screws, one on each corner, using a Phillips screwdriver. And then I'm going to lift out the assembly. So next we will disconnect this 1, 2, and 3 plugs. They all have tabs. And I'm going to press them and pull out the plug one by one. Now we're going to take this assembly to the table and remove the control board. Alright, let's place it on the table, and we are going to disconnect these two plugs. Using a small flat blade screwdriver, you technically can use a little bigger than this one. I'm going to pry these plugs out. Don't rush, don't damage it. Now we need to bend open slightly these 4 clips. I'm going to use the same small flat blade screwdriver. Be careful, don't break the clip. And I'm going to push it out and lift up on the board. Okay, one is out. Hold down to the control. And the other one. And we're almost done here. This would be easier. This is the old dispenser control board next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we're going to install this new control board into the control panel and place it in this way. And now we're going to connect these 2 plugs. We need to slide it into the reception plug here. And press it in. If you notice, I'm holding a small screwdriver just in case if I need a little push. Well, I didn't need it. Good. Now I'm going to install this control board. We'll have 4 pins here. And we're going to install the control board with these 4 openings in the corners here over the pins. And we need to do a little push here. So I'm going to lock this sides. Need to bend it and push it in. All 4 unlocked. And it's ready to go in. Alright, we're going to slide these 2 tabs at the bottom into this huge openings on the side. Bring it closer. and we're going to connect these 3 plugs. One in here, the bigger one is in here, and this double orange goes on the top. Alright, I'm going to lift up this control panel assembly, and we're going to place these 2 legs into the cutouts and bring it up. Match the holes on the top, and I'm going to secure it with a couple of Phillips screws. And we're going to use a Phillips screwdriver for that purpose. Now I can install the frame back on. Just match the cutout and press it in. And now I can install the drip pan. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.